Loom Network, it just keeps on moving. We got to check out Loom Network. It has a top right now. What should we expect in the near future? We're going to get into that as well as some good old graph analysis. But first, we got some news from the graph. So for you to stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space, make sure you smash that subscribe button if you have not already. So diving right into it. As we see right here, GRT IQ tweeted out, the graph is already running subgraphs on many Web3 projects. More will follow. It is and will continue to be the foundation of Web3 and dApps. It says GRT, the delegators can participate in unlocking the next wave of innovation on the decentralized internet. I don't know about that's pretty exciting. Hearing that it's running on many Web3 projects, that is super, super duper exciting. I wonder if that means that it's running on all these. That would be really cool if that is the case, because it seems like the graph is going to be utilized for more than what we thought it was going to be utilized for. So stay tuned for some more news about the graph. We have one more piece from PancakeSwap. They tweeted, hey, at Graph Protocol, which is the official graph Twitter handle, says, may you shoot us a DM, please. I wonder what they want. I wonder what's going on there. What is going on there, guys? I think we'll probably find out in the next days or coming weeks. So that should be exciting. But what you've been waiting for, what is going on with Loom Network? What is going on? You see, we topped right here at about 16 cents right there on that wick. That right there is like very, very nice. We're currently on the 2-hour chart. As you can see, when we broke out, we hit major resistance around that 12.8 cents right there at the 382, came slamming back down to about 9.1 cents. But then we've been working very well. We've been making some massive gains. On the 2-hour, the MACD is looking very well. We have a nice solid uptrend. Hopefully the histogram continues to keep going up. Same thing, I want to see the RSI break around 87. I want to see it break that. Hopefully this can continue going higher. And hopefully we see Loom actually continue making higher highs right here. Hopefully this is not not it. Back up to the 4-hour. Yeah, hopefully this is not it. Want to see the next 4-hour breakout again. But look, we're coming right back down here. You see this right down around 14.2 cents, right at the 236. Hopefully we can hold that. We want to hold that as support and then break out, eventually breaking like the high right there at 16.3 cents. We want to see that happen. How does the MACD look? Cool. We actually just had the bull cross right here. That is very good recently on the 4-hour. So that's very good. Let's back it up to the 1-day. Ooh, right there. It looked like it wanted to come down. It was about to come down to have a not so good cross. And bam, was like, no, not happening. We're going to the moon, baby. We are going to the moon. That's what it said right there. So bam, look at that daily candle. Beautiful. Yeah, the RSI is moving up. That daily looks good. That daily does look good. So Loom, I'm expecting some further upside action before we have some more downside. But of course, we have to hold that 14.2 cents. We have to hold that. On the daily, it makes it super duper clear. We have to hold that 14.2 cents. If you see us fall down below that, expect us, well, we should get some support at the 12.8 cents, but there's not much right there. We'll probably end up falling support down at like 11.7 cents. So just watch out for that. Watch out for that. But yeah, it's looking exciting for Loom. And as mentioned in the Patreon today, it's interesting to see how DNT and Civic will play out as well, because they all seem to move around the same time. So it's like, what is going on there? Because you have DNT line flat around 31, 32 cents, Civic line flat around 43 cents. So just, watch out for that. What should we, expect from them too? But of course, what you've been waiting for, the graph. What is going on with the graph? Let's zoom in first, like we do. Checking it out on the 2-hour chart. As we can see here, guys, massive parabolic move. We all know this up to 290. Looked very, very nice. Came crashing down to the 382 at around $2.14. We've held that as resistance here. We've held it. We broke it here. Fell down to the 618, which was around $1.67. But the massive parabolic move getting rejected at $2.43, which is also the 236 on the fib. So keep that in mind. And we just could not hold. We could not hold the 214 area. We fell down again. But it made a higher low though. It made a higher low. This time only falling down to the 0.5, which was right around 190. Now we're breaking out. We want to see us get past 243. Guys, right down 240 to 245. We want to break that, hold that as support. More specifically, 243. We want to hold that as support. That will be very, very, very crucial for the future of the graph. If you see us back down here at 190, you want to see us come back. You see us back down there, it's like, oh, what is going on? Especially if we have bodies down here at 166. Not looking good. On the 2-hour, how does the MACD look? Looks like there's about to be a bearish cross, guys. That's not good on the 2 hour. That is not good. Let's zoom back. Got to get different time frames. It looks like it wants to cross bullish right there because it looks like the histogram is slowly going towards the green. But I mean, it can do anything right now. It can do anything because they're very, very close. It can like literally just jump any which way. But as of right now, we are holding that as support right there around the 213. We want to see that continue. Let's zoom back out a lot. How does it look on the daily? I mean, it looks like things are cooling off on this nice, parabolic run we had right there on the daily. We see the histogram slowly turn that light green, slowly going down. Hopefully what we want to see is like, we want to see this thing's probably going to end a little bit like that, but we want to see it jump back up like that. If not, we're going to end up probably going like this, and we're going to have a cross somewhere, probably somewhere in this range. And that is not going to be good for the price of the graph, not going to be good. But like I said, this thing could just end up jerking back up, just like we saw with Loom, how it looked like it was eventually going to have that cross there. Right here, it looks like there was going to be a cross, but the Loom said, nope, not happening today. We going to the moon, baby. We going to the moon is what it's basically like what it said. So keep that in mind. The graph could end up doing the same thing. And I especially think with Ethereum making all-time high, it's in price discovery mode. That's very bullish for the altcoins. Very, very bullish. So keep that in mind. That's just a little analysis today on the graph. What do you guys think about that? Let me know down in the comments. I would love for the graph to make all-time high today. I would love for it, but we need to hold. And if you guys know what this candle kind of looks like right here, please let me know down in the comments below. We've talked about candles like that before. We talked about that. Let me know down below. It still has 9.5 hours left. Let me know what that looks like to you, especially if the body would close a little bit closer to the open. What does that look like? So let me know down below. And of course, we got a crypto to cover by a fan on the tweeters. Thank you, Jason King. I like it. Alt Wheezy. I like it. Alt Wheezy says, I don't think you've covered SCRT yet. Let's go over to CoinMarketCap. So SCRT secret, it's currently up about 24% right now at 285. You guys can check it out on Binance. We got Hotbit. Binance probably your number one spot. You have around a $200 million market cap. It's up a little bit though. I don't like buying things when it's up. So this is definitely something to look into. I have seen there's a lot of stuff going on the tweeters about it. So just keep in mind they want to build a better internet, solve for privacy. I mean, privacy is definitely a big deal. But guys, when I check out all these websites, I see a lot of the same stuff. So just be careful. Definitely do your research before you invest. Do your research before you invest. So what do you guys think about what's going on with Graph? What do you think was going on Loom? You think we're going to see higher highs? You think it's going to hold that 14.2 cents? Let me know down below. And of course, this is interesting with PancakeSwap and Graph Protocol. Cannot wait to see what they have to say. So, and as always, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, morning, afternoon, wherever you're from. And definitely consider subscribing if you've not already. Smash that like button. And the Crypto Homie is not a financial advisor. I'm just a dude on the internet. And I will catch you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye.